Hi everyone, this is a quick video by the Youth Employability Service on how to find an apprenticeship using the .gov website. So to begin with, you want to type .gov apprenticeship into your search engine, then you want to click on the link that says find an apprenticeship. Now you're on the .gov website, you can either scroll down to create an account, or you can do that later and click search now. We're now at the stage where we can find an apprenticeship. Let's go through some of the search options. The first part is keywords. You can search by job title, description, employer or reference number. We recommend that you leave this blank however, just in case there's something you haven't thought of yet that could come up if you leave it blank. But for the sake of this video, we will be selecting job title and searching for business administration. Now under your location, enter your postcode. I've used the Hastings office postcode in this video. Once you've done that, you need to think about how far you're willing to travel for your apprenticeship. Remember, this could be daily that you're travelling this. For example, in this video, I would be willing to travel 10 miles to get to the apprenticeship. So I've gone one above at 15 miles, just in case there's anything on the 11-mile mark that I could still be interested in. If you know what level apprenticeship you're interested in, this is where you can select it now. You have the choice between intermediate, advanced, higher or degree. Alternatively, you can select all levels. This will give you more variety to choose from when you're searching. That's what we've done in this video. You can then select disability confident if this applies to you. And click search. Here you can click receive alerts for this search. This means any future apprenticeships that meet your criteria will be emailed to you. You can also look at the free apprenticeships elsewhere in England to see if there's any that you might fancy. But for now, we're going to take a look at the 5 apprenticeships that we found in our area. Now if we click on the first one, you can scroll down and see some more details. Under sign to apply, make sure to check out the closing date. This is very important as you want to make sure you give yourself enough time to actually apply if you are interested in the apprenticeship. There's also the apprenticeship summary with different information like wage, working week, expected duration and much more. Next you have the requirements and the prospects. These have different desired skills, personal qualities and more. Please remember that desired skills are desired, not essential. So don't let this put you off of making an application. And then you have the about the employer. This is just a little bit of information and even the location of the employer themselves. At the end you've got the training, which will tell you where the training is provided and some contact details. Make sure to have a read through all of the different parts of the information and maybe even compare a few different ones if there's more than one option. Then apply to the ones that you think would be best for you.